You want to know how to program a show with 100 moving heads, enlarge them to 2. In this tutorial we teach you step by step how to use groups, winks, blocks and colors to achieve smooth and powerful programming. And we include 52 LED bars and aiders, so that your lighting design looks professional and spectacular. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or advanced, this is the level you need to stand out. Let's get started. And so we start this tutorial in great English. Today we are going to put together this beautiful show, which consists of 100 bin moving heads. We have 20 LED bars on the top. On the sides we have 16 LED bars, and so we start. And at the top, we have aiders. Then let's see how we achieve these effects. Let's explain each effect, how it was done then. Here we go friends, let's stop camera and we will stop all the effects. Then let's start with the moving head spin. How did you do it? So here we have a group. Here we have 5 layers. We can see here 5 groups. Then let's start 1 to 1, so that we can see how they are constituted of the first bin behind, second, third, fourth and fifth floor. Let's take them to the front to select them all, and we will take it to the front. Then here we can see how they are formed. Then what first happened was, select the group and give them 1 position to the front. Let's turn them on softly, and we are going to take them to the front position. There we have them on the front ready. So the first effect we added was tummies. How did you achieve this effect? Let's see what the effect looks like here. Here we are facing each other, and this is how this effect looks like. This effect as follows. Let's go here, right click, then we load you. As we have in each line, each layer has 20 moving heads. We select in blocks of 10 and wings 5. And thus we achieve this effect where we have 5 wings and we have blocks of 10. In this way we achieve this beautiful effect. Ready, here we already have the first effect, which was Punchitas, and we recorded it on this button. In this executor we place pawn wing here, and we put it its feature how to go ready. Let's see how it happened then. The second effect, let's stop this effect. We select the VIN. Let's go to the front. The second effect was Tilcinos. Then we select the effect. Look at the effect achieved there with those. While some go up, others go down. How you did it. Then let's give it a right click. Let's go to the features. Then in blocks, we select blocks of 20 to select each line. And in winks we place it 1, 2. And ready, now we select the other effect. Then the two are already together. Tummies and Tilcinos at the same time. Ready now, as you said, the effect where they change from red to white. So we came here in RAM color. We select. Then look at how they start to change you between red and white. How we achieve this effect. Let's go to the right click. Then there we select the color ramp 1. Which is a predetermined effect that is on the console. And what we did was to select blocks of 21 win up to and here in the color. In the value of key highball we exchange it for 18A. Default is at 40 key. Then if we change the value, we'll change our color as well. If we give it a value of 30, we select the effect. Saw how it changed color. Then he changes the Let's change to 60. Changes the color of the colored wheel. We go to 23. There we change color. Then the value we gave it was a value of 83. We select and there it is in red. Ready, we already have all 3 colors for the effect we were doing already, and we recorded all these effects. We record them here at the executors. Then we go to Tugala and light up the front. Here we are making Punchitas. Here we have already activated the sinus call. There we both activate the RAM color, and that's it. Well, now let's see how it happened. The effects of the upper bars. Then let's go to the top bars. We turn them on. Then what we did was to select a color. Was lamp, we go to the maximum. We turn off the blue. We turn off the green. And we leave 50% red. And here what we did was to create this dimmer PWM. Then we select it. How we achieve this effect. Then right click on it. And let's see how we achieve this effect. So here we simply gave him a win of 2 to do it from the outside inward. This is how we achieve this effect from the outside, and we recorded it in an executor. Now let's turn it on, and here it is. We already have that executor ready. To each of these executors we add a speed. We have 3 speed. Now we show you how to get that speed. Then, each one is controlled by a different speed. So here's what this one is controlled by: speed DOS. We can control your individual speed. Ready, just like the beam, we have this speed 1. With this we are controlling the speed of the beam, and we stop them. Ready. Then we are all ready. Now how to paint the sides. Let's paint these and let's paint the beams. We now have full sidebars. And what happened was to select them from outside. Inward. First we select this outer line. Then it is, then it is. Then it is, then it is. Then it is, and so on, and here it is synchronized. Then we selected the Mercenous. And let's see the effect. How we achieve this effect. Then we select in blocks of 4. Because on each line, there are 4 bars. Then they do this effect from the inside out. Automatically. And then we gave them a color. We clean it. Now let's see the whole show. How you did it. We are messengers. Then let's see how there's 1. Then we selectors. We turned it on and gave it. How did you do this effect? We did it with a dimmer chase and gave him simply blocks of 8 because there are 8ers. And so we got everyone to turn on at the same time. We clean up, then let's go turn on the show. Then let's go with cell phones. We are going to paint all the effects. Then we turn on our in front. Let's turn it off. Are already simply upwards when turned on. With this button, we go to the front. Here we light punchiness. Here we turn on tiltness. Here we turn on RAM color. Ready, we have everything from the BIM. Now let's turn on the upper bars. So here we are lighting them. The upper bars. Now let's turn on the sidebars. That have already turned on the sidebars are all in red. And let's turn on tiers. That are at the top. We already have tiers. And now here we have, let's turn on the camera. We select the DMX camera. And here is a sequence of the camera, which gives us a pre-recorded tour that included in another video. We are going to show you how control the DMX camera for your renders. Then here we can see how the camera is controlling to view the stage from different points of view. So this is a very nice show. Here you can see how we can put on a great show in a short time. Then they are for each layer. 20 moving heads. Then we are going to improve this show. Today we made a part. Then in the following videos, let's make this show a. Let's have it in a time code. Then let's add music. Add many more strobes effects. So look how beautiful this show looks. Here we have another effect that I understand. Let's fix this. What is 1 dimmer chase? There you can see it better, the dimmer chase effect. Playing with all the beams. And we are going to add the other effects that we had before. Because there we have punchiness. Tilcino's color RAM. And we have a chase on the left and right. Is a very nice effect. We are going to fix it, and here we return to our previous effect. Here we have then our front camera. Ready, friends? I will leave you this show in the description of the video to download and quickly can put on your show and test it. Ready, friends? Then this is how far we get with this tutorial. See you in an upcoming video. Remember, like us, subscribe, activate the little bell and share this video.